So, fan off. Just got the wires underneath it. Take the lid off, take it apart later on. Cut the wires off the compressor, or the garbage out of there. We'll take the capacitor off because it looks like it to be brand new. I'll check it with a meter and then take the contactor apart because it's got a copper coil on the bottom of it. My Milwaukee 600 MCM cable cutter. Cut the copper off. Coil's loose now. Get up, move it out of the way, get a small little forest growing there. Sensitive ferns. That's when you haven't got your maintenance done. Use a DeWalt bit kit, 1/2 inch, to get the compressor out. Rock it back and forth, and it usually comes right out, so there you go. That's all done.